All right, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to the salvage yard. That's right. Gonna go look for some parts for the dually. I don't need much. So let me get this camera turned around and show you what I'm going for. Alright, so this is one of the things that we're going to be looking for today at the parts yard. I don't know what happened to this mirror, but it was busted when I bought the truck. But yep, we're going to find some mirrors to put on that thing. And last time I was at that salvage yard we're going to, I did find some mirrors that actually look pretty damn good. They're a matching set and they're not broken, so that's a plus. And then the other thing that we need is sun visors. I've got one sun visor, which was on the passenger side, and it's pretty jacked up. So we're going to be looking for some sun visors. I know where I can get some. There's a pick and pull about 13 miles away, and they said that they have them for like $15 if they have the right ones. So hopefully today at this place that we're going to, I won't be paying more than $15 for each one of those. Alright, so the first thing I got last time I was at this particular salvage yard was this here dually tire. It came off of I think an 86 GMC flatbed dually that was sitting in there. And it's been on this truck a couple of times actually, and it fits fine, so no fitment issues there. But yeah, well, that's the first thing. Alright, so here's the other piece I got the last time. This came out of a Ford F-250, but not really concerned on whether it came out of a Ford or a Chevy or whatever. It doesn't say Ford on it, so that's all I care about. But yeah, it came out of an 80s Ford F-250, like bullnose style Ford. It was $5. So yeah. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some angle iron and I'm going to use some 2-part epoxy in here, and then I'm going to screw it together as well. Sandwich some 2-part epoxy in there, and then that thing's going to sit like right about there on the transmission tunnel. But I mean, it fits in there. These cup holders right here, they're just so damn big that they don't really fit the cups that we use. So I mean, it does fit this phone holder charger thing, but I mean, other than that, it really doesn't fit in here. And if I really wanted to, I'd just close that and then put this down here, you know. So I don't know, I'll figure it out. But anyway, yeah, that thing was $5. Oh yeah, I can't remember if I mentioned it before, but I paid $50 for this tire and rim, which I checked around, and you actually can't get them for less than $50. So it is what it is. And here's the best part of all. Yep, when you see tools laying in the junkyard in a car, never just leave them lay there. Now, this is nothing expensive. This is just Pittsburgh, but it is 1/2-inch drive. And this one here is also Pittsburgh, and it's 1/2-inch drive. But this one right here, this is Mac Tools. So you never know what you're going to find in the junkyard, and you damn sure better not leave tools laying around so they rot in the junkyard with the car. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so it's a couple days later, and I wanted to bring young Master James here, my sidekick, and
partner in crime,
and let him tear some shit up too. So anyway, let's get in there and let's go find those parts we need. Well, there's a little something for D&E in the garage right there.
It's my dream car, right here.
What?
Well, it's one of them.
What?
Right here.
A Miata?
No.
I'm gonna say hell no.
Oh,
I think.
I thought it was a different car.
Oh, you talking about this right here? Oh, that's a Chrysler Imperial. You don't want that. It's a Chrysler product.
I thought it was a different car.
Okay, so
You're not a gearhead.
the red one that I was looking at
I can't hear you because of the...
is actually right over there. That's the one I was looking at over there. See? Yeah, this one. Yep. Those are the mirrors I wanted for that truck. Now, I don't know if the ones that he's talking about are going to have... are going to have my mirrors, but we'll see. And see, this salvage yard isn't as nice as our favorite one. This one is in fact all dirt instead of concrete underneath us, but that is just something that we are going to have to deal with. I know that there is some Cherokees in here from what I saw the last time I was here, so we'll see if we can get Doug from D&E in the garage some tow hooks also. Oh, there's a Saturn. Well, that's a cute door. Jesus, what the hell causes that? It's got ribs. It must work out. Alright, so this is the mirrors right here. This actually works out better anyway than that red truck I first showed you, because these are black and I'd rather put black mirrors on it than chrome. But yeah, this old girl's been picked over pretty good. I'm going to try to get, I don't think they'll work though. This is a short bed. It probably won't work. But yeah, this thing is full of crap. Wow. And this is what we got so far. Got a tail light just for a spare, and then a couple sun visors. That light rail thing right here, actually I need one for in the dually. This is the other mirror, and then my pair of pliers. But yeah, that's what we got so far. And most of this stuff is coming off of this old, I think it's a GMC. Yeah, old GMC. Matter of fact, when I had the white truck, that's the grill I was looking for when I had the white truck. So I don't know if I should take it off for the guy that bought the white truck or not. Maybe I just leave it there and I'll just tell him it's there. But you know, lots of cars to look at. So after we get done grabbing these parts, we're gonna go on a tow hook adventure for D&E, because I told him I would. So alright guys. Holy dog shit, that was a bad day.
Dug into the wheel well, cut open the tires.
Poor old Ford truck. It had a good life. Now it's where it belongs, in the junkyard.
Okay, so we're looking for Jeeps and Jeep parts. The dually that I took my rim off of is right over there. So maybe we'll go over this way and dodge. Yeah. Oh, look. A drawbridge. Fucking dodge. Oh. That's a nice old Ford dually, to be honest with you. If I was going to buy a Ford truck, it'd be an old one like this. This is the dually that I got that rim off of. Yeah. It's on this side right here. But, oh, Cherokee over there. Let me make my way over there and we'll continue. Alright. I'm not real experienced with these here Jeeps. Other than I know they're expensive to fix and they get shitty gas mileage. But, we're going to see if we can find us some tow hooks. Well, no tow hooks here. So let's move on to the next one. I know there's a couple more here. Maybe back there. I see that Dodge hood back there, so we'll look back there. You know what? Check this out. This is one of them convertible model Jeeps right here. Nice convertible Cherokee.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure they'll sell it to you if you really wanted it.
That's top dollar.
Oh yeah, that's top of the line shit right there. Well, there's another Jeep. I don't know if there's any tow hooks on it though. Nope, I don't see any. Ugh. Well, it smells like death in here. Jesus. Ugh, that one's stinky too. Must be a Chrysler thing. Hey man, there's a Magnum over here. Oh, look at that. Poor little Ford F-150. It burned up. It must have caught fire because it was working so hard. Uh-oh. Yet another Jeep, and still no tow hooks. Man, I don't know, Doug. Maybe there's too many people that watch your channel and they're onto your money-making scheme with your tow hooks. I don't know what to tell you, buddy. I tried.
They're onto you, D. And E, don't forget him.
You know what this dummy just did?
What?
You know what you just did. He was over there on the other side over there, and he pulled off a heater or a radiator hose or a heater hose and got sprayed with antifreeze.
What,
I wish I would have had the camera on.
It just got on my shirt, though, so I'm fine.
Let's see the spot. Let's see the spot. You got pissed on. All right, so we're at home now, obviously, and we're going to show you the parts haul that we got from the old pick and pull that we just came from. So hang on a second, let me get this camera turned around and we'll get busy showing you. Alright, so I got a gauge bezel for the dash with the headlight switch. Got a passenger side tail light. I mean, honestly, I really don't need one, but these things on like LMC truck or, you know, one of those places like that, these are expensive. So I grabbed that, and really all I wanted was these. I do need 2 of these. So that's one. There's the other. And then I got the 2 mirrors. I think that this style mirror is definitely going to look way better on the truck than what's on it right now. I don't really like those mirrors, but it is what it is. And then I got a couple sun visors. But all of this stuff right here, this was $100. So I mean, it is what it is. The shit ain't cheap. You know, it really, I probably could have got it cheaper somewhere else, but you know what? It really doesn't matter to me. It was worth it just to get out with the boy here.
Yeah.
So it is what it is. But that's what we got today. And I showed you what I had from the last time I was there. Just that cup holder, center console thing, and then that spare tire. That was $55, I think, for those 2 things. But all in all, it's not bad. And I really actually don't need anything else for this truck, really. Unless I can come up with a dually fender, which, I don't know. I mean, it's not really that terrible. I could live with it. There's a little bit of damage on it. But, well, a little bit of damage back there. But this right here, this is what really concerns me, because somebody tried to repair the fender and they didn't know what the hell they were doing. But yeah, are you having fun there?
Yeah.
Messing with my parts?
Yeah.
You ready to put them on now?
Yeah.
You want to put them on?
Sure. I know how to put on tail lights.
Yeah.
And I know how to put this on. So.
Yeah. Well, how about you put them mirrors on?
Okay.
That's kind of a pain in the butt. There's not a whole lot of room in there for your fingers to move. But
No,
anyway.
It's smaller than yours.
Yeah, that's true. I got big old sausage fingers. But anyway, that's the parts. Alright guys, so that's all we have for you today. Just a quick trip to the salvage yard. It was a pretty good trip. Come out with quite a bit of stuff. More stuff than I thought we were gonna, but the more I kept digging in the vehicles, the more I kept finding that I wanted. And actually, there is actually more over there. I just didn't want to spend any more money than I did. But anyway, sorry I couldn't find you any tow hooks, Doug. I tried. If you guys aren't acquainted with D&E in the Garage, get over there and check them out and give them a sub. They're awesome guys. Anyway, that's all we got. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to this channel and you like this content, hit the subscribe button. Punch the bell in the face for notifications. And yeah, hopefully we get some new guys coming aboard and you know, enjoying our craziness. All right guys, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. We love you. We'll catch you next time.